Welcome to War India News Hour. Apple is facing mounting pressure to make a bold AI acquisition as rivals surge ahead. Reports suggest that the company has considered buying French startup Mistral AI, valued at USD 10 billion, or AI-driven search engine Perplexity, worth USD 20 billion. Yet, Apple's aversion to large-scale deals may be holding it back. Before we deep dive, let us first take a look at today's headlines. Meta plans to launch Super PAC backing pro-AI candidates. Meta is planning to launch a Super PAC to support California candidates favoring a light-touch approach to AI regulation. The news comes as other Silicon Valley behemoths like OpenAI pledges USD 100 billion for a new pro-AI Super PAC. Meta will reportedly pour tens of millions into its new group, dubbed Mobilizing Economic Transformation across California. This new PAC signals an intent to influence statewide elections, including the next governor's race in 2026. Google to block malware on Google Play with a new defense tool. Google is introducing a new defense for Android called Developer Verification to block malware installations from side-loaded apps sourced from outside the official Google Play App Store. For apps on Google Play, there was already a requirement for publishers to provide a Data Universal Permitting System number, which was introduced on August 31, 2023. Google says this had a notable effect in reducing malware on the platform. Anthropic launches a Claude AI agent for Chrome. Anthropic is launching a research preview of a browser-based AI agent powered by its Claude AI models. The agent Claude for Chrome is rolling out a group of 1,000 subscribers on Anthropic's Max plan, while also opening a wait list for other interested users. By adding an extension to Chrome, select users can now chat with Claude in a sidecar window that maintains context of everything happening in their browser. OpenAI to update ChatGPT after US teens parents sue company over suicide. Sam Altman-led OpenAI is planning to update ChatGPT after a lawsuit alleged that a 16-year-old high school student in the US died by suicide using the chatbot as a coach. The AI company said it is updating ChatGPT to recognize and respond better with empathy to people who are experiencing serious mental and emotional distress. The company, in addition, has also announced plans to roll out controls allowing parents to determine how their children will use ChatGPT, further allowing them to see details of such use. Netflix adopts generative AI by setting aside strict guidelines for creators. Netflix has officially acknowledged its first use of generative AI in a TV show, while also issuing a set of guidelines to ensure responsible and transparent use of the technology. According to the company, the move is aimed at encouraging creativity while avoiding legal challenges. In a blog post, Netflix said Gen AI tools are becoming more common across production workflows, and the streaming platform considers them valuable creative aids when applied transparently and responsibly. Welcome back. Industry speculates that Apple's deal-shy culture risks slowing its AI push. Historically, Apple has shunned major takeovers, preferring small acqui-hires that fit seamlessly into its ecosystem. Its biggest deal remains the USD 3 billion purchase of Beats in 2014. The conservative approach reflects Apple's belief in building technology in-house, a strategy that paid off with Apple Silicon but may be too slow for today's fast-moving AI race. Mistral would bring efficient open-weight language models ideal for Apple's on-device privacy-first approach, while Perplexity could provide a homegrown alternative to Google Search, saving Apple billions in fees and strengthening its ecosystem. Internally, leaders like Space Service head Eddie Q favors large acquisitions, while Craig Federighi argues Apple can still build AI itself. CEO Tim Cook's strategy for prioritizing quality over speed echoes past successes but risks leaving Apple behind as Microsoft and Google rapidly deploy Gen AI. If caution prevails, Apple may miss the most transformative tech wave since the smartphone. At this thought, we sign off for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to War India magazine. For more news and updates, you can download the War India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Stay tuned. Thank you.